video tutorial, we will see how to print rectangle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, every line begins with space character. Those space characters are gradually decreasing line by line in the range of 2, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. Those space characters are appended with number characters. Those number characters are gradually increasing line by line 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. Our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5 condition is false, and our iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we require a nested while loop. For that, we require a variable j. J is equal to 0. Nested while j minus 1 less than I, and at the end of nested while loop, we are going to increase j value by 1. So here j minus 1 is going to give us minus 1 less than I value 0. Condition is true. Then 0 less than 0 condition is false, and our iteration is going to stop here. Then for the next iteration of I value is 1 and j minus 1 is going to give us minus 1. Minus 1 less than 1 condition is true. Then 0 less than 1 condition is true. Then 1 less than 1 condition is false, and our iteration is going to stop here. And for the next iteration with 2, j minus 1 will begin from minus 1. Minus 1 less than 2, then 0 less than 2, then 1 less than 2, and 2 less than 2 condition is false, and iteration is going to stop here. Similarly, this nested while loop will get iterated for remaining values of I, 3 and 4. So let's print the result. Print. We have seen every line begins with a space character. We are going to combine two spaces here, and those space characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 8 to 0. So that decrement we can achieve by subtracting I from 4. So here in the first line we will get 8 space characters, then 6, then 4, then 2 and 1. Here the space characters are aligned in the space characters are appended with a number character in the same line, so that we can achieve by using end parameter without any value. So let's print the number character. In the first line there is 1. In the second line there are 1 2, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5. So that we can achieve by multiplying 1 with j plus 1, and every number character is separated with single space character. So after printing space character and number character in the single line, we want to continue from the next line. For that, we are going to use a print method outside this nested while loop. So run this file in the terminal py triangle.py. This is our expected left angle triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see how to print number left angle triangle pattern.